Bias. Answer this question, everyone. Bias, basic input output system. Bias is stored on. Answer, everyone. Answer is bias is stored on. Anyone answer this question? Bias is stored on. Answer is ROM. Bias is stored on ROM. Read only memory. Options will be like this: RAM, B ROM. In the exam, options will be in this manner, maybe RAM, ROM, hard disk, CD. If the options will be this, or pen drive, then the answer is ROM. Answer is ROM. Next question. First question is clear to everyone? Next question is, which input device is used for playing the video games? Which input device is used for playing the video games?
The joystick.
The joystick.
Yes, so the answer is joystick. Which input device is used for playing the video game? The answer is joystick. Is the right answer. Joystick is the right answer. Which of the following is not a secondary storage device? Which of the following is not a secondary storage device? Which one is not a secondary storage device? A RAM, B ROM. Which of the following is not a secondary storage device? So options: RAM, B hard disk, C pen drive, D hard disk, pen drive, CD. Answer this question, everyone. What is the correct answer?
RAM.
Sir, RAM.
RAM is the correct answer. If the option is ROM, in that case also the answer is ROM only. So if समझ में आ रहा है? If in the option RAM is there, RAM is also not a secondary storage device, right? Either if RAM is there, then also answer is RAM. If ROM is there, that, so whatever the options here, same it will be here, right? So the answer is ROM. Clear to everyone? Next question, everyone. Try to answer the next question. Which of the following is used in bank for processing of checks? Which of the following is used in bank for processing of check? Which of the following is used in bank for processing of checks? Everyone tell me. Which of the following is
MICR.
Sir, magnetic in character recognition.
MICR is used for processing of checks in the bank, right? MICR is used for processing of checks in the bank, right? Now the next question, everyone try to answer is, answer this question. Which key combination should be pressed to move to the previous cell? In MS Excel, which key combination should be pressed in order to move to the previous cell? in order to move to the previous cell. Which
Sir, shift plus tab key.
shift plus tab key is
Tab.
shift plus tab key is the correct answer. Shift plus tab is the correct answer. Right. Now answer the next question. Everyone. Which key should be pressed in order to move to the next cell within a row? Within a row. Which key should be pressed to move to the next cell within a row? Within a row.
Sir, tab key.
Which key should be pressed to move to the next cell within a row? The answer is tab key. Tab key is the right answer. So up to here everyone is comfortable, or any doubt in any question? Anyone have any doubt in any question? Tell me. Don't waste the time.
No, sir.
Yes. So I am removing these questions. Okay. Now the next question. Answer the next question. If 32 plus 55 is entered in a cell, Excel will treat this as a number or a date. Different data type I have discussed or not in the class. Discuss here.
Sir, discuss.
So if this, so suppose here the options will be like this. If this is entered in a Excel in a cell, so Excel will treat this value as a date. Means it will be considered by the Excel as a date data type or number data type or what? Text data type. And one more is there, number, text and time. So which one? If this
Sir,
is,
text.
so the answer is text. This one is not a number data type. If this one is, if 32 plus 55 is entered in a Excel within a cell, so Excel will treat this as a try to understand, don't try to write. अंशिका रानी समझने का कोशिश कीजिए, right? If the same is like this, if equal to is also there, in that case Excel will not treat this as what? Text. In that case Excel will give the value within a cell, and in that case the answer will be number. Minute change, answer will be changed. समझ में आ रहा? Equal अगर remove,
Yes, sir.
in that case this is the answer. If we include before this equal, in that case the answer will be this, right? So here the answer is text. Here the answer is text. Okay or not? Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone? Now try to answer the next question, everyone. Yes. So the next question, everyone try to answer. Next question is, in January, February, March and ... series can be generated using the dash features of Excel. Excel में हमारे पास एक feature है. So the what is the that feature? Yes.
Sir, autofill feature. Autofill.
Autofill. Autofill is the answer. Autofill option is the autofill option. Using autofill options we can what? Generate remaining. ये अगर आप शुरू का 2-3 लिखिएगा और हमारे पास autofill options होता है, that autofill option we can easily generate the remaining month of the year very easily. So the answer is autofill, right? Answer is autofill. Now next question, everyone try to answer. Dash is a translator software. Dash is a translator software that will convert the source code into the machine code line by line. Line by line. Who will convert the source code? into machine code line by line?
The interpreter.
So the answer is interpreter or compiler.
Interpreter.
So the
The
answer is
interpreter.
Interpreter is a translator software which is responsible for converting this source code into the machine code, right? So interpreter is the right answer. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Everyone is feeling comfortable? Dash is a translator software that will convert the entire source code at one single go. एक ही बार में टोटल सोर्स कोड को कन्वर्ट करता है ऑब्जेक्ट कोड मींस मशीन कोड में. Everyone.
The compiler.
So the answer is compiler. Answer is compiler. Anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Answer is compiler. Compiler is the answer. Right? Compiler is the answer.
Compiler.
Next question, try to answer everyone. The next question is, which symbols are used to connect one box of a flowchart to another box? Which symbols are used to connect one box of flowchart to another? One box of flowchart to another.
Flow lines.
The flow lines.
Which symbols are used?
Flow lines.
Answer is, which
Flow
symbols are
lines.
used to connect one box of a flowchart to another? So the answer is flow lines. Flow lines. Flow lines is the correct answer. In any question up to here, any doubt to anyone? Now answer this question, everyone. Processing box is dash in shape, or what is the shape of processing box?
The
What?
rectangle.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. So processing box is rectangular in shape. 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 Clear to everyone? Processing
Yes, sir.
rectangular in shape. Up to here, everyone comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So I am removing
Yes,
this question. Removing this. Now next. Now answer this, everyone. Dash symbol is used to connect parts of flowchart that are on different page. Which symbols in the flowchart is used to connect parts of a flowchart that are on different page? एक flowchart है.
The connector symbol.
Connector.
So the answer is connector.
Connector.
Connector symbol.
Connector.
Right, connector. Connector is the answer. Connector is the right answer. Connector symbol. Now answer the next question, everyone. Which box is used at the beginning and end of a flowchart? Which box is used at the beginning and end of a flowchart?
The terminal box.
Which box is used at the beginning and end of a flowchart?
Terminal.
Box.
Answer is terminal box. Terminal box.
Terminal.
Which box is used at the beginning and end of a flowchart? Terminal box. And terminal box. Now, next question. Try to answer, everyone. Next one. Try to answer the answer. Dash is a pictorial representation of steps that should be followed to solve a problem. That should be followed to solve a problem. Dash
The
is
flow chart.
flow chart is a pictorial representation, or flow chart is a diagrammatic representation. So the right answer is flow chart. Correct answer is flow chart. Any doubt to anyone in this question? Next question. Answer this question, everyone. Conditional box is dash in shape, or what is the shape of conditional box? What is the shape of conditional box? What is the shape of conditional box? What is the shape of conditional box?
Kite.
The kite.
So the conditional box is the shape of
The diamond.
diamond
The
or
diamond or kite.
right. Diamond or kite. If in the option diamond is given, then you need to select the diamond. If kite is given, kite. Right. So the right answer is kite. Right answer is kite. Right answer is also. Answer this question. Which group contains the option to change the orientation of cells? Which group contains the
alignment group?
Which group contains the options to change the orientation of cell contents? Change the orientation of cell content. Yes, everyone. Answer.
Alignment group.
Alignment group is the right answer. Alignment group is the right answer. Next question. Now answer. Which group contains the option? Which group contains the option to change the font style of the text? To change the
font group.
Which group contains the option to change the font style of the text? Answer is font. Answer is font group.